love to move, play, and have fun? Then Little Lightning might be for you. Little Lightning is part of Lucas County Special Olympics. It's designed for kids ages 8 to 15. It's a place to try new sports, make new friends, and discover just how strong you are. Whether you love basketball, bowling, cheer, swimming, tennis, or track, there's a place for you here. Little Lightning is not just about sports. It's about friendship, teamwork, confidence, belonging, fun, and being celebrated for exactly who you are. It's a place where every athlete matters, every cheer matters, every success matters. Are you ready to shine? Come be part of Little Lightning. Your team is waiting.